Hey guys, my name is Janelle McClarty and I am the owner of EncoreWebsites.com. And in today's video, it's going to be another Instagram related video. And I'm going to be showing you how to make mainly I'm going to be showing you how to make a collage using Instagram stories. But then while I'm doing that, you're going to learn a little bit of tips and tricks, how to use Instagram stories more effectively. So I'm going to start right now. First step, we're going to go to this area. So click on the stories section, click add stories. We're going to go to a dark surface and take a picture of it. And a lot of people didn't know this, but you can make a collage just by going to your photos, picking a picture, copying the picture, going back to Instagram, and then it appears here. And then you repeat the process. So I'm going to go to another photo. Oh, it's cute. Copy that. Pops up. You paste that there. And I'm going to do probably one more. You see the theme here. And paste. So this is a collage. So hope you learned one thing there. And I'm going to show you tip number 2. Let's rearrange this a little bit. I think I want this in the middle. I want this right there. Yep. And yeah, I'm going to keep it like that. All right, so I'm going to show you tip number 2. So on top of doing a collage, we're going to do text with different fonts. So like mixing it up. So here's the first. Let's say I'm going to say amazing, and then event. I'm gonna make it bigger. I think I want it in, I'll stick with this text. Amazing event. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Put that there. And then I'm gonna mix up the text and put Toronto. This was in Toronto. And then another tip. So in order to, let's say I want this text to be the same blue, like a similar blue to what I've been using in these pictures, you just click, let me show you again. You click on this little painter icon, and then you hover to the blue that you want. So I'm gonna go with the blue right here. Press done, and then I'm gonna take this text, make it smaller, and put it right there. And put that back up. So I think I wanna rearrange this a little bit. Then put Toronto there. Make that bigger. I think I want to change this to this. Done. And make it smaller. Then I'm gonna make this smaller. All right, so you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. It's not how I want it. I think I want to change. Let's make it smaller again. Make it as small as I can. Done. All right, I'm gonna leave it for that, like that for now. The last thing I want to do is show you, okay, how I add my hashtags without making them visible. So it's pretty much the same concept as last time. I'm gonna pick any text. I'm gonna add the hashtag Toronto events. Then add another hashtag, Toronto, let's say nightlife. Done. And then we're gonna take these hashtags. So you can either move it behind the picture like that, or another easy way is to take it, put it down here, make it small. I'll put this picture back. And we're gonna use the same highlighting feature right here. So that little, all the way on the left, that little dropper, and we're gonna hover over the black. So see how the hashtags are blue? It's the color of wherever I hover over. So I'm gonna hover over the black, and now the hashtags are invisible. So just to make your posts look more clean, I do that for when I'm using multiple hashtags. So that is how you make a collage, use multiple tags, and hide your hashtags in an Instagram post. I hope this helps you and you can be more creative. This is just a quick little video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next. I'm liking these Instagram series, so I might just do another one. All right. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.